Have you ever stopped to think about how your kidneys, these small but powerful organs, are fundamental to your health? Often neglected, they perform vital functions that go beyond simply filtering the blood. But what if I told you there are simple and effective ways to protect these silent guardians of your body? The answer might lie in something you already know but perhaps do not explore enough: vitamins. In this video, you will discover how protein in the urine is a warning sign, how vitamin D can be an ally in preventing inflammation, how vitamin E acts as a protective shield, and how vitamin B9 can make a difference in kidney health. Get ready for a deep dive into knowledge that can transform your approach to kidney health. Shall we embark on this journey of discoveries together? Introduction to proteinuria. Proteinuria, in simple terms, is like a silent alarm the body sends out, indicating that something is wrong with the kidneys. It is not a disease by itself but a symptom revealing underlying issues with our dear body filters. Imagine your kidneys as a fine sieve. When it starts to let proteins through, something is not right. Reducing proteinuria is crucial to avoid further damage and preserve long-term kidney function. Thinking of kidneys as guardians of our body's purity helps to understand the importance of keeping them in good shape. To better visualize, think of proteinuria as a small crack in a dam. Initially, it may seem harmless, but if not treated, it can lead to a devastating leak. Thus, by identifying and treating proteinuria early, we prevent our natural filters from wearing out and becoming compromised. This is where our prevention strategy comes in, focusing on reducing proteinuria to maintain balance. Speaking of balance, it is worth remembering that early detection of proteinuria can make a huge difference. Simple urine tests can indicate elevated protein levels, and this should be a warning sign to seek medical advice. Maintaining a balanced diet, rich in vitamins such as vitamin D, is one way to support kidney health. Small dietary adjustments can have a significant impact, such as preferring fresh and natural foods. At the end of the day, taking care of the kidneys is an investment in well-being. Who doesn't want to avoid future problems, right? And like any good plan, prevention is always the best remedy. So, when noticing signs of proteinuria, it's time to act and protect these vital organs. And speaking of protection, did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in kidney health? Let's explore this next. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a powerful ally in maintaining kidney health. It acts as a kind of guardian, helping to reduce kidney inflammation, balance blood pressure, and produce essential antioxidants. A practical example? Imagine vitamin D as that friend who always helps maintain peace in a group, avoiding conflicts and ensuring everything runs harmoniously. For the kidneys, this balance is essential to prevent greater damage. Besides its anti-inflammatory role, vitamin D also prevents the formation of scar tissue in the kidneys, a common problem in chronic kidney disease. This is like preventing a pothole-ridden road from becoming impassable, preserving its functionality for longer. The daily recommendation for vitamin D can vary, but generally, a dose of 600 to 800 IU is suggested for most adults. Consulting a doctor to adjust this amount is always a good idea, especially if there is a history of kidney problems. To ensure you are getting enough vitamin D, consider including foods such as fatty fish, eggs, and fortified products like milk and cereals in your diet. And we can't forget sun exposure, which is a natural source of this vitamin. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily of sun on your face and arms can make a significant difference. This combination of diet and sun is a simple but effective step to maintain kidney health. It is impressive how something as simple as maintaining good levels of vitamin D can have such a profound impact on kidney health. And when talking about kidney care, we must not forget the importance of other vitamins. For example, did you know that vitamin E also plays a crucial role in protecting the kidneys? Let's find out more about this next. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another essential ally in kidney protection, thanks to its antioxidant properties. Think of it as a protective shield that fights free radicals, those small villains that cause cell damage. By reducing inflammation, vitamin E helps keep the kidneys functioning more efficiently and healthily. A practical example would be including vitamin E-rich foods in your diet, such as almonds, spinach, and avocado, which are both delicious and beneficial. Besides its antioxidant properties, vitamin E plays a crucial role in cell repair. When kidney cells suffer damage, this vitamin steps in to aid recovery, maintaining kidney function at optimal levels. The recommended daily dose of vitamin E varies, but generally, 15 milligrams is sufficient for most adults. Again, adjusting this amount with the help of a health professional is always recommended to maximize the benefits. Incorporating vitamin E into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Small adjustments, like adding nuts and seeds to your meals or using vegetable oils in food preparation, can significantly increase your intake of this vitamin. Imagine your body as a well-tuned machine where each part plays a vital role. Vitamin E is one of those parts, ensuring the kidneys can continue filtering waste and maintaining body balance. When caring for kidney health, it is important to remember that every detail counts. The combination of various vitamins and a balanced diet can transform how the kidneys function, preventing long-term problems. And speaking of vitamins, the next one on our list is vitamin B9, also known as folate. Let's explore how it contributes to kidney health next. Vitamin B9, folate. Vitamin B9, or folate, is a vital component in promoting kidney health, especially due to its antioxidant properties. It acts as a repair agent, helping to neutralize free radicals that can cause cellular damage. Imagine folate as a skilled technician who repairs a machine, ensuring it runs smoothly. For those with kidney diseases, maintaining adequate folate levels is crucial, as it helps reduce homocysteine levels, a substance that can damage the blood vessels of the kidneys. Folate is especially important for individuals on dialysis, as the treatment can lead to a loss of this essential vitamin. Maintaining adequate folate intake can be as simple as adjusting the diet to include foods rich in this vitamin. Leafy greens, beans, and citrus fruits are great sources of folate. Adopting these foods in daily life not only improves kidney health but also contributes to overall well-being. The daily recommendation for folate for adults is approximately 400 micrograms. For those on dialysis, a dosage adjustment may be necessary, always under medical supervision. Maintaining a dietary routine that includes these natural sources of folate is a simple but significant step in preventing additional kidney damage. Imagine providing your kidneys with the right tools to continue their vital job of filtering waste from the body. Caring for kidney health is a continuous commitment, and each vitamin plays a unique role in this process. The combination of vitamins D, E, and B9 creates a robust defense against kidney damage. However, we are not just relying on popular wisdom, there is a wealth of scientific studies supporting these benefits. Let's dive into the scientific evidence next. Scientific studies. Exploring scientific studies on vitamins and kidney health is like opening a treasure chest of knowledge. Research shows that vitamin D, for example, plays a significant role in reducing kidney inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that patients with adequate vitamin D levels showed a significant decrease in proteinuria. This illustrates how proper supplementation can be a cornerstone in the strategy to maintain kidney health. Vitamin E also stands out. Various studies, including one published in the journal Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation, highlight its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The results show that vitamin E supplementation can help reduce inflammation markers in patients with chronic kidney disease. This reinforces the idea that, in addition to diet, proper supplementation can be a valuable path to preserving kidney function. Regarding vitamin B9, the evidence is equally promising. Research indicates that reducing homocysteine levels by increasing folate intake can have a positive impact on the vascular health of the kidneys. Studies such as the one published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases point out that dialysis patients who supplement with folate show better results in terms of overall health and kidney function. These studies are just the tip of the iceberg. Science is constantly evolving, bringing new discoveries that help us better understand how we can protect our kidneys through proper nutrition. However, it is crucial to remember that before starting any supplementation regimen, consulting a healthcare professional is essential. Speaking of which, let's discuss the importance of talking to a doctor before making significant changes to the diet or starting new supplements. Consult healthcare providers. Consulting a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or starting a new supplementation regimen is a crucial step that should not be underestimated. The kidneys are delicate organs, and any change in vitamin intake must be carefully monitored. Think of it as consulting an architect before renovating your house. You want to ensure every change will be beneficial and safe. Doctors have the necessary knowledge to customize recommendations according to your individual needs, especially if you have a chronic condition like kidney disease. The importance of this consultation is even greater for those already undergoing treatment, such as dialysis. The balance of vitamins and nutrients can be complex, and medical supervision ensures you are on the right track. For example, while vitamin D can be beneficial, excess intake can lead to complications such as hypercalcemia. A doctor can adjust doses and monitor blood levels, preventing potential problems. Moreover, each person is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. A doctor can order tests to evaluate current vitamin levels and make precise recommendations. They can also warn about possible interactions with other medications you may be taking. It's like having a specialized guide who knows the map of your body and can indicate the best route to optimal health. Therefore, before making any changes, schedule an appointment with your doctor. Bring your questions and concerns, and be ready to discuss your health goals. This step not only ensures safety but also maximizes the benefits of vitamins for your kidneys. Now that we understand the importance of consulting a healthcare professional, we are ready to gather all the information and create a comprehensive strategy to protect our kidneys and improve the quality of life. Now that you have acquired this valuable knowledge on how vitamins can protect your kidneys, it's time to take action. Have you thought about how small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your health? How about starting to include foods rich in vitamin D, E, and B9 in your daily routine? Try adding a little more spinach, avocado, or an extra dose of sun to your routine. What will be your next step to protect your kidneys? Are you ready to turn this theory into practice? Don't put off until tomorrow what you can start today. Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and keep learning how to take care of your health. Let's go together on this journey of transformation.